feeling free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right. You can have him, I don't want him, he's not worth fighting for. Besides, there's plenty more where he came from. I don't want him, you can have him, I'm giving him the sack. And he can go right back where he came from. I could never make him happy, he'd be better off with you. I'm afraid I never loved him. All I ever wanted to do was run my fingers through his curly locks, mend his underwear and darn his socks, fetch his slippers and remove his shoes, wipe his glasses when he read the news, rub his forehead with a gentle touch, mornings after when he's had too much, kiss him gently when he cuddled near, give him babies one for every year. So you see, I don't want him, you can have him, you can have him. I don't want him, for he's not the man for me. You can have him, I don't want him, he's not worth fighting for. Besides, there's plenty more where he came from. I don't want him, you can have him, he isn't my concern, and he can just return where he came from. I would look a trifle silly taking him away from you. That was never my intention.